The blue shorts. Yan.
Yung kapitbahay ko, yung kapitbahay ko, yun lang ano. Wala ka ng kailangan na.
Cordona. Center.
Talagang balik alintog ka na.
And Mr. Vidal. For the blue shirt. Paligutan. Balisakan. Villamor. Top by the blue. Paligutan. Number 31. To number 007. At the best line. Baka na ito na. 007.
Pakita mo nga, pakita mo.
Ayan na. 27. Back to enjoy life. For 3 again. Shot. Rebound by number 21. Paligutan. Shot. Shot. Rebound by enjoy life. Pitch ball pass. No go.
Pagyan kumasa.
Sa sobrang kula na doon.
Oh, baseball na na eh. Natutulog-tulog ka.
Number 10. Oops. To 24. Chapo. What a baseline shot by Mr. Villamor. Enjoy life. The top by number 21. Almost there. Paligutan at the baseline shot. Pass to Villamor. To Magos. Magos. Chapo. Shot. Number 13, setting the play. To enjoy life, using the board. Shot is done. Rebound by number 24. Balisakan, driving, foul. No basket. Number 27 of blue. Inbounding. 24, almost still, Paligutan. Pass, yes! Wow, what a shot by number 31. 7-0. 0 pa po ang Unity. Wala pa pong score. Gogo to number 11. 11, heavy traffic. Pass to the wrong guy. Give to number 21, number 21 again. Pass. Basket. Time of break. Our score is 9-0. Ang bibilis ng green. Ang galing ng Paligutan. Pang-best player ko. Next game. PPF versus Raptors.
Coach pala siya kasi. Coach
Next, Coach Mr. Puna ng Unity.
Coach! Ito yung coach ko.
Inbound by the blue shirt. Perdona.
Oh, yeah. Ingat kita
To number 11 and 27. Almost two. To enjoy life. Enjoy life. Dancing pass shot. Almost. Still a game. Paligutan. 2-0-7. Paligutan. Pass. This basket. Wow. Cordona. Number 13. To Vidal. Jumper. No good again. Gigisa. Almost loose. To Cordona at the 3-point area. Pass. Short. Relax. Last touch by the blue shirt. Steve Benagos. Almost close yung kalibutan at kalibutan ulit. What a play from Mr. Tolentino. 17-0. Grabe, 17-0. Foul. Foul at number 24 of Villamor. First try. Yes, ayan na. Nakascore na, 17-1. Second try. Good again. Pops up, change player. Change player na po tayo. Ayan na po, si Mr. Ayay Puna, the A1. Oh, nagdalawin bola po, Maya.
Ay, bola mo talaga.
Bola.
Dalawa bola?
May dalawa bola niyan.
Pumato ka! Ayun, malabas yung musik karton na.
Korte na, out na. Korte na out.
Ay, sorry. Karton na.
Wala na, magkano na. Number 8, Steven Puna. Rep, kundalo mo na rep. May isang player. Oh! Rep, meron isang pinakapasok eh. Cordona out. Yung Cordona out, please. Cordona. Substitution. Before that, 5 minutes. Change player. Okay, good to now, very good. We're back to business.
Lahat masaya.
Number 14, Tupura. To number 18, baseline move. Reverse layup. Pitch ball pass to number 15. Yes. Wow. And what number 13? Marasigid. Isa yan sa akampi ko. Enjoy life! Pass to the Rockman. Steal, same ball. Same ball. Throw the three-point arrow, fake. To number 14. To number 28. Amaya, layup, block. Reverse layup, no good again. Outside, line ball. Steal. Same ball. Blow shots. Oh! Natawag. Number 31, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Again, to number 15, back. Oh, miscommunication. Nanamaray. Enjoy life, nagmamadali. Almost loose. Still by number 88, pitch ball pass. Number 33, yes. Ang ganda ng starting ng green. Enjoy life, using the board. Kaboom. 21-5. Kalikutan na nag-report again. Kaboom. Dapat bantayan yun. Magaling. Pruna. Maya lays up, foul. Foul on number 1 of Green. Ocampo. 2 shots by Mr. Maya. Under 1 minute and 49 seconds. 1 minute and 49 seconds. First try is no good. Second try. No good again. Rebound by number 18. Almost losing the ball. Number 1 to number 2 with Nani Maray. Number 15. There's a Nani Maray. Almost the ball. It's a blue ball. Enjoy life. Take. Drives in. Almost heavy traffic. To Corona. 4-3. Too strong. Reverse layup. Longer again. Follow-up shot. Longer again. Yan na. Almost traffic. Pitch ball ball for Manarani. Manarani to number 10. Almost two, number 1, almost two. Wow! Nag-aaral to number 10, Magos. Simple. Seconds to go. 25 seconds. 25 seconds.
Masarap ko panuulin yung kanina.
Shot, no good. Dribble time na yan. Peprona.
Ano nangyari sa inyo?
To number 28, fouls, goal! Seconds to go, 15, 12, 10, Magos, 5, short this time, 5 seconds, another shot, bang! What a shot by Manarani!
Ba, iba talaga babaero.
Ay, galing mo, idol. Ha?
Iba talaga babaero.
Ang galing-galing pagdating dito, ang galing eh. Nanamaranin din eh. Score! 26-7 in favor of Amihan. Back to the ball game. And now we are so excited for the last game. Biray na biray, ang dating. Balikan. Quick, number 1, Tomato. Nice, yeah. Still by number 11, Costa. To number 13, Fishball Master. Lays up. Goal! Bad pass. By the blue shirt. Bad error. Ayun na, tao-tao po sila. Sino sabi? Back to the Biray again, Biray! Wake up! Yeah! Wow, what a defense by number 1. Bilamo, Curtis, Owen, no, Bilamo, outside. Score 26-9. 8 minutes and 47, enjoy life. 3-point shot, kaboom! Ayun na po. Humaharurot na. 26-12. 14.3. Sinasabi again, Tito. Pitch ball back, Biray. Wake up, pass, good. Using the left hand. Time out. Green. Amihan. Ayun na po. 26-14. 12.3 na lang po ang natitira para makahabol. We are played by Mr. Biray, the power moves, kaya 100.
Wala, yung shooter, dito nakaupo. Nakaupo yung shooter eh. Mahirap hanapin na dito nakaupo.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time is 8 minutes and 22 seconds. 8 minutes and 22 seconds. 26-14 in favor of Amihan. Oman to 44. Tumabay ang upper pass. Shot! Whoops! Ang galing, nakuha pa rin. Oh! Landon. Sayang. 8 minutes. 8 minutes na lang po. May bababa na po. May bababa kaya sa single digit. Biray at the 2-point area. Shot this time. Rebound ba niya po 88. 88. Fumble. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Oh! Pinabalaan! Yan ang tinatawag ng knockout moves. Mga knockout moves na mga nangyayari. Enjoy life, first leg move. Foul. There's a pushing foul by number 88. Auman. Biray at the baseline. Foul. Pass ball. 44. Foul by number 44, first personal foul. Number 13. Back to Cobona. Losing the ball. Same ball. Oh. Number 3. Enjoy life. For 3. No good this time. Rebound by number 24 to number 1. 1 and 4. No good. Rebound by number 3. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Give to number 13 for Kenisa. Yes. Net. Seniza. Ano ba? Balikan. Oh, give to Enjoy Life. Enjoy Life for 3. Short. Again, himself. Rebound. Pass to the wrong man. Billabor. Goes over the road. Number 27. To Biray. Biray fires. No good this time. To the number 1. To the second. Foul. Change player. Foul number 88. Change player. 2 shots by number 3, Enjoy Life. First try. No good.
Simula kaninang umaga, hindi pa ako natuloy.
Patay ka! Wala ka
Push
na
for
naman.
pass to number 13. Oh, steal. Ano yun? Steal. Last touch.
Kalaro naman bata ko.
Same ball. Magus Temper. Simple lang ang Magus. Bruna to Enjoy Life. 14 to number 18.
Ginawa mo pala eh. Talbog-talbog ka dyan. Second foul, number 42.
14 foul. Foul number 44. Balisakan. First try, no good. Under 3 minutes and 36 seconds. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. For the second try. Shot again. Rebound by number 10, Magus. Ayun po, Magus. 13 fires. No good. Rebound by Bruna. Si Bruna. Jumper. Set. Good. 32-19. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Magus. Oh, Magus. Medyo light. Ang galing. Puna for 3. Puna. 3 point. 1 to 10 point na lang po. Sampo na lang.
Binawi.
Galing na lang. Shoot. Napagod na po kanina. Gagawin mga shoot ito. Puna ulit. Puna. Puna for 14. For 3. Shoot. Follow-up shot. Lagot. Patay sa foul.
Bigyan ko ba ng
Foul number 24 of Green.
si Corona, matitiktikal ka.
Two shot by Buena. Follow Villamor. First try by Buena. Two shot.
Take time.
Take time down. Take time. Take your time.
Talo ka.
Second try. Too strong again. Rebound na balisakan. Almost loose. 24. Oh. Too strong. And bad error by the Vincent is still 10-point lead under 1 minute and 39 seconds. Enjoy life. Driving. Oh, almost still. Pinangarani. No. Rebound by number 10. Almost loose. Number 10. Maya. Oh, almost loose. Maya. Oh my goodness. 1 minute. Yes.
Yan na.
Yes, si Pascal. Galing pa rin. 10-point lead pa rin. 34 seconds to go. 55 seconds. Pagbanan mag-upisa. Rebound by Puna. Oh, yan ang laro. Yan ang laro. Tawanan lang, di ba? Friendly game. Friendly game. Penalty. Penalty po tayo.
Kita mo yan?
First try ni Idol. Oh, first try.
Parang toothpick ka lang kasi.
Second try. Yes.
Sino lang, oh.
Balisakan. Almost two. Same ball. And last touch. Seconds to go. Seconds to go. Still same ball. 34 seconds. What a play again by the Bishop. Counter foul. Foul on number 28 of Blue. Bonus shot for Mr. Villamor. 2 times ang knockout moves ang Green, ha? For the bonus shot. In and out. Rebound by number 18. Enjoy life. Puna! 3 points! Yan! Single digit na po tayo. Single digit. 8-point lead na po ang Amang. Nakarami. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Mesang pabalikan. Easy basket. 2, 2, 1. Basket second delivery basket. Still 30. It's a single digit na po ang Lamang.